The problem with short circuit MIG is a lot of people weld downhill where they should weld uphill, and short circuit MIG does not bite through thick layers of mill scale very well at all. Now if I'm hanging way back in the puddle like this, and I didn't clean the mill scale, and I'm using a long stick out, and I got cold settings, it's going to lay down a little cold caterpillar that's not going to hold anything. You can see right here, it barely nipped through the hot rolled mill scale. Now take that same thickness metal, clean all that mill scale off, stay up in the front of the puddle with the arc using those same settings, which are, by the way, way too cold. This is just for demonstration purposes. I basically couldn't even snap that with my body weight. So I had to get a cheater bar. Same settings, the only thing different is I stayed up in the front of the puddle and I cleaned all that mill scale off.